Can you show one more videos?
Greetings to NUJP USA, and of course, my friends from UNTV, Christy, Joy, and Anna, and Nympha, and all the members of NUJP US. It's been 2 years since I last visited your organization when I spoke with regard to the Freedom of Information and Maguindanao Massacre. And just to give you an update on what has been happening here in the country, I'll start first with the Maguindanao Massacre. Finally, the prosecution has rested its case, although there were some delaying tactics that were used by the defense lawyers. The accused suddenly, after the prosecution presented its last witness and presented the formal offer of evidence, suddenly decided to change their lawyers in the middle of the game. This further delayed the prosecution of the case because the court had to look for alternative lawyers for the accused. So this delayed the process quite a bit. Last October, the defense started presenting its own set of witnesses and evidence for their part. Now, question, will this case end by 2016? I have grave doubts with regard to this because the lineup of witnesses that the defense intends to present numbers already around 300 witnesses. And if you would allow a witness per day, that would be already 1 year covering just all the witnesses, and we know that the court does not hold sessions every day. So it would take quite some time before the defense would be able to rest their case and the prosecution would be allowed to submit any rebuttal evidence that they may deem necessary. So a 2016 decision with regard to the Maguindanao Massacre is really, in my opinion, would be hard to reach at this point. But at least you can say it is still proceeding slowly, and the concern that your fellow journalists here in the country have is that it seems that they are not now being given access to watch the hearings. No? So they've launched, some media outlets have launched protests with regard to this, and they're trying to find out who ordered the media out of coverage from this important event. So that is the update right now with regard to the Maguindanao Massacre, and we hope that this issue would be resolved as soon as possible. We've been doing our own count as of today, which is November 17. We have already logged 1,820 days. We have our own countdown here, or count up if you would like to call it that way, and until final judgment may be rendered with regard to this issue. UNTV had lost four reporters in that gruesome murder, and this is why the station had made the commitment to continue reminding its viewers about this case with regard to the Maguindanao Massacre. Now, with regard to the Freedom of Information, of course, we all know that it had passed the Senate on third reading, and it is now waiting for the action of the House. In the House of Representatives, Right now, it is pending in the Committee of Public Information. We are hoping that a vote in the committee will be taken next week, and once that is taken, it will be brought to the plenary for plenary debates. Now, what is different from the time that I was in the House of Representatives from 2010 to 2013 is that finally, the President had come out with a statement that he wants to see the Freedom of Information Bill passed into law before he steps down. Now, I don't know if this would make the process of legislation faster, but at least we can say in the Senate it has done its work. We're hoping that in the House that it passes the committee level at least before the year ends, because it would give members of the House at least 1 year, the whole of 2015, to have it approved on third reading. So this is an opportunity that we see right now, and if this piece of legislation is enacted into law, of course it would help in the campaign to fight graft and corruption and allow our citizens informed choices in whatever decisions they make with regard to the information they receive. So again, I'd like to congratulate the members of NUJP USA for continuing this yearly, we would not like to say commemoration, but yearly remembrance of the Maguindanao Massacre and the continuous flight of journalists here in the Philippines. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat at mabuhay ang NUJP USA. Ito po si Congressman at dating Deputy Speaker Eric